Hey guys, today we have this 2004 Chevy Colorado. It's a Chevrolet truck, small truck. We're having a problem with this on the fan. I believe it's in the blower motor. Let's see. Let's turn it on. Turn it on. So you can see this does not work until you hit 4. See, all of them doesn't work. This is 4. With this one, the problem with this is the blower motor resistor, and we will be replacing that today. We got a new part right here. All right, I'll show you where it's at, and let's get to it. All right, guys. So this problem is very common on different cars, not just for this Chevy Silverado. Every time you see that, let's say turn it on. That's on. Fan and everything works. Uh-oh. So loud. Big noise we have. Let's go ahead, close the door. There you go. So the cool your AC and your heat still works, but it's just when you turn it on, push it on, the fan is working, but now it's working. Look at these. See that? Now it works. Something wrong with this piece here. So the ground, as you can see now, is going bad. Actually, it's going bad. But it's not all the way in. I'll show you again. Oh, this is great. Because right now it's working. As you can, a while ago it wasn't working. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is working right now. But let's see if we can recreate it. Put in 3. So it's the resistor, the blower motor resistor is located underneath here. It's by the passenger side. You can hear it. Or when I enter, maybe. There you go. Now it's bad again. See that? That's bad. So that's perfect. Now it's not working again, but the high 4 is working. So we're gonna replace it either way. So with the new one we have right here, I got the genuine parts, GM genuine parts, and let me see with the part number here. Let's show. There you go. That's the part number we have. And let's go ahead, install the new one and compare. Let's see what's the difference of the old and the new one. And if it's still doing it's acting up, it's probably the wire. I know we can buy the wire as well. All right, let's go ahead, remove it. First, turn it off. Make sure it's no power. All right, then we're gonna go to passenger side seat underneath the glove box. So you can see right here. Let me show you. See if we can zoom in. There you go, right there. There's 2 bolts. That's size 5.5 millimeter. Let me see if I can show you the size. That's 5.5 right there. There you go. So that's what we're gonna use. All you gotta do is just remove those 2 bolts, little tiny bolts right here. There's one there. and there's another one on the other side, which is right here. They're not really parallel to each other, just like kind of like a little bit offset. So alright, so that's out already. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Oh, this one looks pretty new. Looks pretty new. Let's go ahead unclip it. You see right here, it's a little clip in that side. This one here, probably just like lift this up. This one here, lift it up there, and it'll come out. All right, let's go check it by side by side. All right, guys, so this is the old one. Not too bad. A little rust there. It works, but it's on and off. And we got a new one right here. See that? Our new was really shiny and brand new. So we're just gonna install it. You see the difference. These ones have a little bit crack in there, and maybe the corrosion will does that. Oh, there you go. That's it. See that? That's the problem. It's burning. So there's a burnt terminal as we have. So before we actually install the new one, let's go ahead and check the terminal here. Look at that. That's burnt. That is not good. So we can put a new one. For now we're gonna put this one, but we should be actually replacing this. We can order this as well. Even though I know it's gonna work still, but we should be replacing this. There will be a connector that you can buy this, and you can just solder it and wire it together. But let's go ahead and see the difference. Let's go ahead and put the new one. Same way right here. Just clip it. That's it. And I'm gonna go ahead put it back up there. So see if I can see it. Right there. Right up here. Install it. It says easy to install anyway. So I'm gonna test it. That's already installed. And then let's screw back in. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead, finish bolting this. Tiny bolt, size 5.5 socket. Not too tight because those are just plastic. As long as it's just holding it. Alright, and then that's it, guys. That's it. Then let's go ahead, back up. So that's the new one. We have it installed already, and this is the old one. See, start burning there. Let's go ahead and turn on the truck. On. See, it worked. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's leave it at 3 so we can hear. And then we go ahead and wiggle this. See that? That's not doing anything. This is a brand new one. So I'm gonna tell the customer that we should replace the wiring connector, because that's not gonna have a good connection. But what happened from here, what I'm seeing, this burnt, that either that's a 3, that burnt, and the burnt transferred to the connector. So that's how you fix it, guys. And let's see, this is the OEM. It looks like it's an OEM. It's not, but that's easy. Any car has that problem. I know some BMW has this problem too. They call it a blower motor resistor. So 1, 2, now it's working perfectly. The BMW, it goes kind of like in the center console kind of side. It depends, but most of them, they're right by the blower motor itself. So that's it, guys. So we're done, guys. As you can see, those kind of problem you won't be able to see with the scan tool. That doesn't give you a check engine light or anything. There you go. So we have a blower motor working already, and you go ahead and clean it up. All right, thank you for watching, guys. So that's how you replace that problem, this fix. All right, guys, till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Say bye.